Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's class. Today, as in the last class, we have discussed about ammonia. So, a few more reactions of ammonia today we are going to discuss. Okay, the first reaction which we have done, this is reactions of ammonia. So, in our last class, we have done this reaction ammonia plus HCl. We have got this NH4Cl. Okay, these two are in gaseous form and we have got this solid. Okay, now today we are going to uh, work with the solution of ammonia, that is NH4OH. As we know that ammonia is very much soluble in water, so the water soluble ammonia, the solution of ammonia, that is called ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. This is a base. If we made it react with copper sulfate solution, this is uh, blue in color. Copper sulfate is blue in color. Now if we add few drops of ammonium hydroxide in this copper sulfate solution, then we are going to get a precipitation of copper hydroxide. Okay, so this is a uh, double displacement reaction, we can say. So the interchange of the ions will occur and we are going to get copper hydroxide as precipitation. Okay, this is pale blue precipitation of copper hydroxide along with ammonium sulfate will be produced. Now to balance this reaction, we need uh, 2 ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so this is the reaction. Now in this solution, in this pale blue precipitation, if we add more ammonium hydroxide, if we add excess of ammonium hydroxide, so in this only, in the solution, suppose in a test tube we are doing the reaction, and in the same test tube what we are going to do, we will add excess ammonium hydroxide. Okay, this is in excess. That means in the solution, let me remove this. So this was the reaction. First we have got this pale blue precipitation. Now in this copper hydroxide plus ammonium sulfate, this was produced along with ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, in excess. So if we do this, what we are going to get, we will get a deep blue coloration. Okay, here this was a precipitation, but here we are getting a coloration, a clear solution. No precipitation will be there, but the color of the solution is deep blue or dark blue, we will say. Okay, so CuNH4 so this will be CuNH3 whole 4 SO4. So this is the deep blue coloration. Here this deep blue coloration will be because of this complex. This is called tetraamine copper sulfate 2 solution. Okay, this is called tetraamine copper 2 has copper in class 2 form. So copper 2 sulfate solution. Okay, tetramine copper 2 sulfate solution. This is deep blue in color. Along with this, two water molecule will be produced, 2H2O. So this is the reaction. Okay. So for this, at first, what is the reaction? We are adding some ammonium hydroxide, few drops of ammonium hydroxide in copper sulfate solution, and we are getting a pale blue precipitation of copper hydroxide. And in this solution, in this precipitation, or in the same test tube, we are adding excess of ammonium hydroxide, and after that, after adding excess of ammonium hydroxide, we are getting a deep blue coloration of the complex tetramine copper 2 sulfate solution. Okay, so this is the whole reaction. So along with this, the video, another video of this reaction I will be sharing, so that also you just watch. Okay, there the proper the reaction. Here we did only the reaction in this manner, but the practical reaction is shared in that video. Okay, so do watch that. So till you just here up to this only. Next day we will discuss some more gases. Okay, so up to this only. Take care.